What's up, guys? So, I'm back again. So, para kong kabuti na sumusulpot at nawawala sa aking YouTube channel. Well, I'll give you a story behind those absence na wala ako dun sa pag pagbibideo ko to document my journey on trading. So apparently, guys, I'm quite discouraged the past weeks or months already on my last trade when my $50 wipe out. Okay, and I do a reflection sa mga mali. Okay, kasi it's very hard. I will admit na sobrang hirap na maging disiplina, and for you to create a consistent it take times talaga. So for me, it's not hard to create a strategy, but the hardest part is to be consistent and following your strategy or your rules. Okay? So, nagpahinga talaga ako kasi disappointed ako dun sa nangyari sa trade ko last month. Okay? Nag-fund ako ng 50. I tried to fund 50. And then, for after 3 days, I'm so happy kasi consistent kong nakukuha yung profit na $5 a day, or sometimes there is a $25 na profit. But yung feeling na overwhelmed ka because you take profit every day, and the consistently na magawa mo yung isang strategy is very difficult. Okay? Kasi nagpo-FOMO kasi yung feeling na baka mamaya bumaba na yung price or something like that. So there were time na mabot na sa 100 plus mahigit yung trade ko. Okay? I mean yung capital ko. But suddenly in only one night, okay, na-overtrade na naman ako. So, I don't think na, kumbaga, sometimes we feel overwhelmed sa mga success, diba? It is a small success, by the way. But the overwhelmed feeling na, okay, kumikita na ako. But it's so small na kung tutuusin, if you will not do it consistently in a small amount or small capital, how can I handle a big capital? So, sobrang mahalaga yung disiplina talaga, tsaka risk management sa pag-trade. And until now, I am struggling to be disciplined and to follow my strategy. That's why I give you honest opinion sa mga nakikita nyo na sobrang dali or maraming strategy na nakikita nyo na kumikita. But the thing is, we don't know the struggle they go through para marating nila yun. So for me, I know their struggles before, and I understand na nung kumikita na sila naging consistent is ganun na yung sinasabi nila. And for me, Um, yung trading kasi is yung stability or consistency na kikita ka ng 100 per day or kikita ka ng $500 per month. So, that's a consistent, ano ba, masabi mo na consistent profitable ka. But, if there's only a limit of time na, okay, ngayong week profitable ka and then after a month wala na. So, di ba? It doesn't matter na maliit lang talaga yung ano mo and then after that, you can just rest because the market is always open. Pwede mong balikan. And kukurot lang tayo sa 1 trillion industry. Okay? Kasi hindi naman niya mawawala eh. So, yun yung ano, kumbaga, na-reflect ko kasi na-disappoint ako dun sa sarili ko na I'm following my rules and strategy and I'm doing my journal, but after that, I feel, alam mo yung parang kadila ka na naubos. And so, but at the back of my mind, I understand na it's a part of the process. But the thing is, those process na pinagdadaanan ko is repeatedly na nangyayari. And it is repeatedly na ako lang din mismo yung gumagawa. And I don't learn from them easily. So parang, totoo naman yun guys. Sa lahat ng bagay, hindi tayo matututo agad sa isang pagkakamali. So, for me, tinatanggap ko lang yung mga nangyayari. But, there were moments na talagang I feel something na, okay, I need to do this in a, kumbaga, conviction. So, hindi madali. For me, if you're planning to trade or planning to do this is not easy money. This is easy money, but the process itself na kung paano mo makukuha yung edge mo sa pag-trade. So, mahirap guys. And I'm still figuring out ang mga bagay-bagay na kung ano yung makakatulong sa akin. Kasi, tawag dito, 8 months na lang ako dito. So, I'm planning to put a capital na mas malaki. But, for me, kung maglalagay ako ng mas malaki, so mas alam mo yun, matitempt ako na i-trade lahat. So, that's why I am only putting a $50 or maximum of $100 or $200 to start. So, I think kung mapalago ko yun, and yeah, it will give you an edge a little bit, but you will learn to slow down. Okay? So, ayan guys, until now I'm trading. I will let you see. Ayan. Okay, I'm still learning the process, and yeah, I know hindi siya ka subaybay, halimbawa, ang tawag dito, hindi siya ka suba-subaybay yung aking yung mga vlog ko, but in time, I think it's okay because I'm doing this lang naman para sa sarili ko, for me to go back sa mga panahon na kung ano yung mga na-experience ko, kung ano yung mga mali ko. So, I hope you guys na kung ano man yung mga tawag dito, pinagdadaanan nyo, or kung ano man yung linya na tinatahak nyo, there will always a process na mangyayari. But, if you stand still, na alam mo sa sarili mong kaya mo lampasan, malalampasan mo talaga yun. So, sabay-sabay natin lampasan yung mga pagsubok na daraan sa atin. And God, guidance, and wisdom. So, have a great day, guys. God bless.